on the walls, creeping closer with the nightfall. Ghostly fingers trace my skin, the fear outside, the dread within. Whispers, whispers, crawling through the cracks. I can feel the haunting pulling me back. Ghosts of the past, they never let go. Trapped in this house, forever alone. The floorboards creak, the shadows grow, a presence here that I don't know. Echoes of screams long left behind in the corners of this twisted mind. Whispers, whispers, crawling through the cracks. I can feel the haunting pulling me back. Ghosts of the past, they never let go. Trapped in this house, forever alone. The floorboards creak, the shadows grow, a presence here that I don't know. Echoes of screams long left behind in the corners of this twisted mind. Whispers, whispers, crawling through the cracks. I can feel the haunting pulling me back. Ghosts of the past, they never let go. Trapped in this house, forever alone. The walls are closing in, no escape, no end. This house, it swallows me, my only friend. Whispers, whispers, crawling through the cracks. I can feel the haunting pulling me back. Ghosts of the past, they never let go. Trapped in this house, forever alone.